cover most of these in the online course, but I want to give you a few that it's important to read about and see if they fit you. But obviously, see a homeopath, right? See a homeopath or a good therapist who can help you with these. So I often use Ignatia, Ignatia, Ignatia Mara. That's excellent for shock and betrayal, especially when you have anxiety, the sense of tearfulness, lump in the throat. Sometimes it's difficult to cry, or you cry easily when you're on your own, right? It's a sudden shock. There's more anxiety with Ignatia for people who need Ignatia. Some people who are more depressive, resentful, withdraw. That's often a picture of Natrum Muriaticum. I like Natrum Muriaticum as well. I use it for headaches sometimes, especially after an emotional disappointment, when people get a headache, or issues with your mother. Yeah, Natrum Muriaticum is often used when there's betrayal or abandonment from a parent, yeah, or a deep love. There's less anxiety, more depression there. Then we have Aurum. Aurum is homeopathic gold. Aurum is excellent when you feel this sense of like guilt, shame, a lot of shame, sometimes suicidal thoughts. You know, sometimes when people are betrayed, rather than blame the person and get aggressive, they collapse. We call that almost, in homeopathy, we call it the syphilitic or self-destructive constitution. And that self-destruction comes with suicidal thoughts, self-blame, collapse, you know, turning inwards against yourself, right? And that inner conflict often needs deeper remedies like Aurum Metallicum. Yeah, and there's many others. Staphylos aureus is a great one as well, when there's a lot of shame and suppressed anger, right? And you don't know how to express it. Maybe you feel timid, or you have all this rage inside, but to be safe, you talk very timidly. Yeah, so I find Staphylos aureus excellent for releasing that deep down anger and giving people that confidence once again. Lycopodium, another great remedy for people who lack confidence. It's not often used for betrayal and shame, but sometimes a person who's been betrayed or deceived has an underlying constitution of that feeling not good enough and a lack of confidence. And so when you give that inner remedy, then they overcome the shame much faster.